I'm Enrico with your daily update for Wednesday, March 25th, 2015. Weather. Today it will be partly cloudy in the morning. We may get more clouds during the day. Later in the day, we will have a 40% chance of rain. Our high will be 59 degrees. This evening, we have a 50% chance of showers. The low will be 27 degrees. Expect the rest of the week to be mostly sunny. Community events. There has been a little bit of controversy surrounding the new 100 Years of Taos Art banners that have gone up. Yesterday at the Town Council meeting, the Taos Arts Organization explained the whole range of events and partnerships that are working together for this year's theme. The slogan is meant to be as open as possible and does not just focus on the famous Taos Society of Artists. If you have community events that you would like mentioned during this segment, email me at enrico@unm.edu or check our website and contact us at taos22.com. Daily reflection. We can never give up longing and wishing while we are thoroughly alive. There are certain things we feel to be beautiful and good, and we must hunger after them. George Eliot's The Mill on the Floss. Hope you have a good day, and thanks for watching your community-powered TV station, Taos 22.